Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to use the Bosch Tassimo Joy coffee machine. You might have come across this in an Airbnb and you're not sure how to use it. First thing you want to do is fill it up with fresh water because you don't know how old the water is in here. Maybe nobody's used it for many months. So what you can do is you can bring this over to the kitchen sink and empty out the old water and put fresh new drinking water in there. Once you've done that, you're just going to place this back in with this bottom bit in first, so place it at an angle like that and then push it fully home so it's nice and flat with that. You're going to plug it into the mains and you're going to turn it on here. And with this machine here, it really is so simple to use. To lift this up, you're going to lift this up here and open it up, and we have various different pods, and each of the pods will have a barcode on them. And the machine will read the barcode via this little glass bit here and will know how to make the coffee. So in this instance here, let's say if I was going to make one of these. Well, actually this is a latte one here. So let's just, to speed up the video a bit, we're going to use one of these here, an Americano. So you're going to get your pod and you're going to place it in barcode down. So we're placing it in like so, and then we're closing the lid down, and then you do this bit. Like that, and it all locks into place. You're going to get your glass or cup and you can move this to different levels. So you've got at the bottom, you've got this level, and you also have that level there. You've got different grooves here. So use the level that will suit your glass. You're going to put it in here, and quite simply, you're going to press the button. And then it's going to start heating up the water, and you will see your coffee will shortly start to come out. There you go, you can see the lovely coffee has come out. Now, wait until this stops flashing. Don't open this up at the moment because you might burn yourself. So wait until that goes to solid. So the lights stop flashing now, so that means it's safe to open up the lid here. It's still going to be warm, so be a bit careful, and you're going to discard off the old pod. That's now used, you can't use that again. Now you might have seen that the light came on here. Don't worry about that, that just means you need to fill with water. It's a little red light with a tap with a drip of water. So you're going to take out the back bit here and you're going to fill it up with water again. Now if you have a look, this is the max line here. So we're going to fill up cold drinking water up to the max line, and it will take its time to filter through because it's got a Brita filter in this one here. So there you go, you can see I've gone up to the max, and bit by bit now the water is being filtered through the Brita filter. So let's put this back on the machine. I'm just going to put it in the back and you will see the light's now gone off. I'm going to close the lid to keep it nice and clean for next time and turn it off here. And that is it. You've made your coffee and now you can turn it on again later on that day or tomorrow or whenever you want your coffee next. So as you can see, incredibly easy to use, and the barcode does all the hard work for you. You can add milk, sugar or whatever you want to this. I hope this video has helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.